Camphor is a rather unimaginative molecule in appearance. The tree from which it comes is found mostly in China and Japan. When it is refined, it is a white fine powder that has a strong smell. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon and is only made of three elements: hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. It does not have many properties, and some of its components in the camphor tree are toxic and can cause cancer. So, why would we use camphor? We use camphor to help with several problems in the body. The main one is that it can help fight off infectious diseases such as the flu and the common cold. It is also used to help people who have trouble breathing. It opens up the air passageways, much like an asthma inhaler, by use of vapor therapy. The most common use for camphor is that it is able to help with mild depression in the United States, and those that might benefit from it do not need a prescription, which is needed for pharmaceutical antidepressants. However, it should not be used in aromatherapy massage because it can be harmful to the skin. It is difficult to obtain camphor oil. The tree oozes a sap that has to harden and then be chipped away. This brown-yellow sap is the unrefined camphor, which has a weak carcinogen called saffrol in it. The sap is steamed and sucked back into a filter, where then it is filter pressed to remove the saffrol. Once this component is separated from the main part of the camphor can be used. Camphor has been used for thousands of years, starting with the Egyptians, who used it as an embalming salt. In Persia and Iran, it was used as a remedy against the plague. In current times, it is being used in fireworks and moth repellent. Surprisingly, it is still used for embalming in China. As said before, it is a white powdery substance. Its molecular structure is carbon 10, hydrogen 16, and 1 oxygen. It is unsaturated due to the double bond between the oxygen and one of the carbons, and it forms a carbon ring. Camphor is used to carry out experiments on other molecules to create such things as hydroxycamphor in order to confirm that there are such things as intermediate substrate carbon radicals. My research shows that camphor commercially has small value except for in the country China, where it is used as scented soaps. Camphor, while it does contribute some to the medical field, there are other medicines that are faster and more effective than camphor. So other than soap and research to see if there's such a thing as an intermediate substrate carbon radical, camphor will probably fade into obscurity.